Hi everybody. With this video I want to concentrate on one specific aspect on consonant articulation. So looking in our app Speech Articulation Trainer 4.0, we normally start, or this app opens with the vowel chart
E.
but now we want to concentrate on the consonant chart and on the plosives.
Ed.
There's already a video concerning the basic aspects of plosives, but what I forgot to tell you is one aspect of voiceless plosives, like t or p or k, which is the noise burst occurring at the release of the consonantal closure. So looking at a t, we now go to the submenu movements. And what we see here now, and that is the difference between version 4.00 and 4.01, I've corrected that now, is, excuse me, that after the vowel we have the consonantal closure. In the case of voiceless sounds here with an opened glottis. Going further on, here we have the release of the closure. So at the next point in time, the closure is released, and what we see is that the voicelessness, that means the glottal opening, still appears and holds a little longer in order to allow a glottal, we call it a glottal noise burst. I'm sorry, this is too far now. Here we see it, a glottal noise burst occurring here, specifically directly after the release of the closure. What we see then here, the closure is further released. That means the tongue tip goes down, and then the glottal opening closes and the phonation starts again. We know that the interval between release of of oral closure and the start of phonation is called voice onset time. So this time interval here between here, let's see, here and here is called voice onset time. So going further, now here we see that here the voicing restarts. So seeing this again, closure, release, aspiration still going on, and voice onset starts. So this is now modeled correctly for p to k. In case of the voiced sounds, we directly see we have never this problem because the glottis is not opened. The glottal closure continues during oral closure. And in case of the fricatives, going back to the fricatives, here we see
F.
That we have a different timing.
F.
Here in case of the release, we have an earlier or a simultaneous release of the glottal opening. So in this case, the glottal opening gesture can end a little bit earlier, and the timing of the glottal closure in relation to the oral closure is not thus critical as in the case of voiced plosives in languages where in which an aspiration or noise burst occurs. Okay, I will give a video on fricatives, on the basics of fricatives in the during the next time. Thank you very much up to here.